every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars. This is exactly what we are trying to teach Luna, and in doing so, we are reminding ourselves of it as well. Here we are, in Adana, southern Turkey, Onur's hometown, working on one of our unfinished projects and dreams, restoring our beautiful and old camper, a 1983 Mercedes T1 James Cook. Welcome to La Boheme family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. And so this is the Campervan. Ta-da!
So what happened this camper when we bought it, it was already bad shape because as you guys see there's a dent here. This dent, it was an accident, so there was something happened in this door too. So what they will do, they will cut this door and they will reassemble exactly the same shape in the shop. So we will change this, and I want to get rid of this, and I want to make it new like a metal like this. I want to get rid of this hole because it was before the gas propane refrigerator. Right now we are using the electric refrigerator because I put the solar panel and it's directly work with the refrigerator, so it's perfect right now. So after this we fix, I want to put here the tent. It will be a nice tent, and then we have some project on the front, but it's not a big deal. The biggest deal is here. This camper will be fixed and outside fixed as a makeup, and then putting the new paint on it. It will be nice.
We bought it 2 years ago in Sicily, Italy. It was already in a bad shape, but Onur transformed the inside into a cozy home on wheels. However, the body needed a complete overhaul. Onur drove it all the way from Italy to Turkey, but life got in the way and the camper sat, waiting for its second chance. This week we decided to take it out for a little test drive. Everything seemed perfect. Luna was enjoying herself as always, and we were cherishing the simple joy of a family trip. Until we stopped for fuel. A few miles later, the camper broke down right in the middle of the road. The next day, Onur went to rescue it. It seems his destiny is always to be fixing something, whether it's the boat, the camper, or something around the house.
Say hi! Look at this! look at the mess. And I am middle of the road. It's a kind of the highway here. The camper is broke down. I'm working on it.
The issue? Bad diesel from a random gas station, contaminated with water. So Onur got to work. He removed the diesel tank, dumped the contaminated fuel, replaced the filter, and filled it with fresh diesel. Just like that, the camper roared back to life.
Aynısı mı? Yeah. The hands are clean. Come on. The body is clean. It's working.
With that crisis behind us, we turned our attention back to restoring the body. We'll focus more on this in the next video, where we'll share the progress and transformation of the camper. In the meantime, we are treasuring these moments together, and watching Luna laugh and play with her daddy fills my heart with joy. Luna!
Cosa Luna? Dove andiamo?
Aereo!
Dove andiamo? Aereo! Dove? Dove andiamo aereo? Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning! Here in the camper!
Which Luna piace tanto qua.
Luna loves the camper, yes. So here we are. We are in the process of fixing the camper. So next video will be more focused on the restoration progress. So where the magic will happen. So definitely stay tuned for this. And in the meantime, we are just enjoying always the time together. Luna is learning a lot, and Nonna Eileen, Grandma, is enjoying with Luna, and also Daddy.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. So let's see. Stay tuned. The next video will be camper project, because we bought this camper a year ago, and we didn't have time to fix it. So this is our next project. Let's see.
It was our unfinished project that we are basically doing now.
Let's see how it will work, everything.
Yes, and like always, if you guys want to buy us coffee, Turkish coffee, espresso, americano, whatever coffee you like, here is the QR code and the link. Or if you guys want to be part of our Patreon community, here is the QR code and the link.
Thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bacetto, bacetto, bacetto.
Bacetto, amore.
Bye
Okay, ciao, ciao.
bye.